the line of data 7B65, line 22, 7B65, Neisserial Autotransporter metals, UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. This was done on May the 8th, 2013. Oh, nalP mutant mass-spectrometric analysis of tryptic fragments, proteins, autotransporters, wild data for bendable metal formulas for the UFO spaceship exterior designs. So SAM14 is a pulse against the PISEMAs. Previous video was the PISEMA beta barrels peptide planes. And May the 8th, this is again a PDF file, quote, from 2005. It's the same PDF file I've been looking at in several videos so far. I broke it down because it's quite extensive. It's got a lot of goodies in it. So can PISEMA experiments be used to extract structural parameters from mobile beta barrels? Again, this is from the scientists from Vancouver, BC, Canada. www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. Keyword is PDF data was nalP Autotransporter, so I looked it up. I wanted to see what it was. And I found some more goodies for it. November 2003, we have a Neisserial Autotransporter nalP modulating the processing of other autotransporters. There's the name of the scientists. They're from the Netherlands, and that's their contact information if you want to talk to them about it. Abstract: autotransporters constitute a relatively simple secretion system in gram-negative bacteria, depending for their translocation across the outer membrane only on a C-terminal translocator domain. We have studied a novel autotransporter, serine-protease, designated nalP, from Neisserial meningitis strain H44-//76, featuring a lipoprotein motif at the signal sequence cleavage site. Indeed, lipidation of nalP could be demonstrated, but the secreted 70 kDa domain of the nalP lacked the lipid-moiety as a result of additional N-terminal processing. An nalP mutant showed a drastically altered profile of a secreted proteins. Mass-spectrometric analysis of tryptic fragments identified the autotransporters IgA protease and APP, a homogloon of the adhesion hap of Haemophilus influenzae, as the major secreted proteins. Two forms of both of these proteins were found in the culture superintent of the wild strain type string, whereas only the lower molecular weight forms predominated in the culture superintent of the nalP mutant. The serine-protease active set of nalP was required for the modulation of the processing of these autotransporters. We propose that apart from the autoproteolytic processing, nalP can process APP and IgA protease, and hypothesize that this function of nalP could contribute to the virulence of the organism. So basically this is a hypothetical test that they came up with. I'm not exactly sure if they've got it to work or not. So guess what? There's a lot of nalP stuff that comes up, so maybe someone else got it to work, or they did, I don't know. But it's there. It comes up. So again, there's the link, www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. My thoughts. Making the bendable metals. We need a molecular change that will transform the metals into a flexible state. Look at the data and figure out if it has a formula for this. Nope, just researched, pasted it, didn't read yet. Oh, I didn't read it yet as of May the 8th. Well, I just read it now. I didn't find a formula in it. It does talk about autotransform, but more stuff comes up, and there will be a formula in the other stuff, because there is several bendable metal formulas that come up in the well data between lines 17 and 22. So the keyword SAM14 is a pulse sequence to PISEMA is in the next video. Thanks for watching.